all doing well? Another Sunday, another video. Anas is here behind the camera.
Hello.
So guys, a lot of things happened this week. Other than Mila picking between money and candy, we traveled to my family, we did a bunch of challenges, we fought. Yeah, we did a bit. Okay, let's calm down. A lot happened. Before I show you guys what happened this week, don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn your post notifications on. Follow us on Instagram. Yeah, let's get in. Why can't I talk? Let's get into what happened this week. First thing that happened is we did a pool challenge.
Okay, ready?
Set.
Go.
Hello. We're about to do a challenge.
So Anas decided to do this challenge where we stand next to the pool and we ask questions, and whoever doesn't know the answer to the question gets no, Anas, don't
Daddy, don't get money back!
Okay, I'm sorry. I apologize.
Help me out of here. Look at their spider webs.
Yo, we didn't even start the game.
I'm not playing anymore. I already went in the water. What's something I've been wanting for a while and you still haven't gotten it for me?
Earrings, right?
Oh yeah.
My turn.
Oh my god, my ring almost fell out. See, I'm losing weight. If I could eat one type of food for the rest of my life, what would it be?
Every kind of food.
That was wrong.
No, it was right. What do you mean?
What do you mean?
You'd eat every... Honey, it's impossible for
No,
you to
I
just pick one food.
specified. Can I drop you like creatively?
Okay, go. Okay, how about you actually ask a good question and then drop me creatively?
Okay.
Okay, go.
Hold on. What's my biggest fear?
Judging by the way you're grabbing me right now, there's no fear.
What?
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! What's your fear? Animals.
Driving.
That's our fear, being in the car with you. What is my favorite song?
Oh, I know it.
Let's see.
I'm just thinking. Wait.
3, 2,
It's,
1.
Take me to church. I worship like a god at the shrine of your love. I'll give you my sins so you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that deathless death. Oh, good God, let me give you my life.
Wow.
Take me to church.
Woo!
That was the first song I ever sang.
I think we have the video.
I sent it to him on Snapchat.
Take me to church, I worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I give you my sins so you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that deathless death. Good God, let me give you my life. Let me give you my life.
What's the best memory that we always talk about that we've had with each other?
Do you know?
Yeah.
Do you actually know the moment?
Yes.
Actually?
Yeah? What the heck's wrong with you? You should be dropped.
No.
Since you couldn't remember and I couldn't remember the moment, let's make the moment together.
What's the moment?
Wait. Oh my god, you broke my knuckle.
Come here, honey. I'll save you.
Jack!
Roll! Roll! Roll!
Okay, let's see what we're gonna do next.
Okay, honey, I have a game for you. Ready?
What?
Okay, listen. Close your eyes. Okay, act like you're blind. Okay? Are you blind right now? I'm not gonna touch you. I swear. Listen. I swear to God, I'm not gonna touch you. Now you're blind. How would you say I'm hungry if you're blind? Okay. How would you say I'm thirsty if you're blind? Okay. How would you say I want a pencil if you're blind? Did you hear me say if you were deaf or if you were blind? If you were blind, you can talk. You know that, right?
Yeah.
How did you not see that?
Okay, so our 3-year-old daughter Mila is gonna have to choose between candy and money, and I'm gonna see which one she's gonna pick.
What do you think?
I think she's gonna pick candy.
I think she's gonna pick money. I think she's smart.
Really?
Mila?
Yeah.
Do you wanna play a game?
Yes, let's go!
Woo!
So here, guess what I have? I have a bag of candy. Woo! I'm gonna put all the candy here. Oh, look, and Skittles. Oh, come here. Let me show you something. On the other side, I have money. Woo! You know, you can buy everything with money.
Okay, by the way, guys, this is not real money. This is
fake.
obviously fake money. It's just copy.
There's no such thing as $1,000 bill.
Okay, so this is money and this is candy. Are you ready to play a game?
Yes.
Okay, go stand in the middle.
Okay, Mimi, you can only pick one, okay? Do you want money or candy?
Candy.
No, Becky, no. You should be a smart baby. Listen, let me tell you something, okay? With all this money, you can buy a lot of candy. Don't you want a lot of candy? Okay, then go stand again in the middle. What do you want? Money or candy? What do you want?
Candy.
Wow.
That was a fail.
Candy's better.
Money's better.
Candy's better.
Money's better. Okay, I'm kidding. So, okay, you could take the candy. Good. Okay.
Wow. So after that, we flew to my family. By the way, with kids flying, it felt like 26 hours on a flight. Never again.
Flying with kids is very, very tough. Like really,
Yeah.
really, really tough.
Why
I
are you
didn't
acting
expect
like
it
you
to
did
be.
anything?
What do you mean? I did a lot.
You
You
kept
have to
throwing
be-
the babies to me. He
You don't
has
have
the
to-
camera and he's running. He's like, I'm holding the camera.
You're lying.
Guys,
I'm
you
gonna
know me.
I'm gonna put footage right now, right here.
Of
Where
him-
it actually shows me
You know-
actually carrying Noah, playing
What
with
do you
Noah,
mean?
taking
All
care
the
of me.
footage was
taking-
me holding the
That's
kids.
actually not true. Anyways.
Okay,
We
anyways,
arrived to your family's
We
house.
arrived to my family's house. By the way, we ended up doing a lot of cool things. We did a challenge where we filled the whole entire truck with balls.
Yeah.
And there was one ball where you could say it was the golden ball.
Yeah.
We threw it in. And my brother had to find that golden ball inside the truck. When he found it, we got him a bunch of gifts. And then what did we do? Yeah, we stayed there for a couple of days, you know, just catching up. We try to see them every month. And then we flew back to LA.
And that was the hardest flight of our
That
life.
was the hardest flight. First of all, we were late. Second of all, once we arrived, the flight was delayed by 2 hours. So we had to sit on the floor. The babies were crying. I had to play with them, feed them.
I did too. Both of us.
Oh,
honey.
great. Okay.
Yeah.
He gets credit for looking at us. Then, after we boarded, obviously there was the whole chaos of Noah crying. I had to try to put him to sleep. I had to give him some medicine. Once we arrived to LA, we had to wait 1 hour. We ended up getting off the flight through the stairs.
Not
into
through a
bus.
normal gate.
Yes. We had to get down the stairs and get into a bus, have the bus drive us to the gate.
That would be really cool if you weren't a family, but with a family.
We're holding a million bags. We had the stroller.
Moral of the story: if you're
No.
going to a place that is actually drivable, do not fly.
No, that just is our case because we have kids.
Oh yeah, if you are a family.
If you're single, I advise flying, but yeah, we should have drove.
Anyways, we love you, Anasala family. That was our story for the week. What a story. We good? Did we tell them everything that happened?
No,
What?
the deer.
Oh!
So my family has a deer in their backyard. He comes every day at a specific time. And that night, obviously, who showed up? The deer. I've never seen a deer up close.
Really?
I swear, it looks weird.
Yeah, don't go close.
I think he's getting scared.
Look what they have here. Look, her dad puts water just in case animals pass by here. Oh my god.
And then the next day, there was actually a whole herd of sheep that ran through my family's backyard. You guys are probably seeing the footage right now. It's like crazy.
Anyways, that was our week.
That was our weekend.
We love you
we're
so
back
much.
in LA.
Yeah, we're home now.
We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
Push the post notification. Why can't I say it?
We will mention a name every video who is from the post notification squad. All you have to do is just go down, click the post notification, and leave your name in the comments down below. Anyways, guys, we love you so much. We really enjoy doing videos for you. Every Sunday, you will see us here giving you a recap of our whole week. Honestly, if you know us, you will know that like our weeks are just like crazy.
Guys,
every
Enes
there's always
literally-
something
He
stupid.
has the camera stuck to his chest just in case something crazy happens. And we'll
So
film.
you will always see that. Oh, Mimi, come say bye. Come.
I love you, Tele family.
Bye. Hey, subscribe,
Subscribe,
share,
share,
and like.
and like.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.